Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be using this Norvina Vol.1 palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So starting off, I'll be using this palette and going to take the color D3. I'm going to use this color all over my lid. As you can see, I'm also winging it out so it looks like really well blended, and using this Morphe M332 brush and going to use the E2 color all over my crease, and using the color E5 and going to create wing with it, and using Sharon lashes from Shaunz World and going to apply it on my eyes. Using this Giorgio Armani luminous silk foundation in 8.75, going to use it with Real Techniques expert face brush, and the next step will be this Too Faced This Way concealer in golden. Going to blend it out using the Japonesque brush. The next step will be this bronzer from Fenty Beauty. It's called stalk'r in Bajan Gyal, and Note Beauty blush in Desert Rose. Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. It's in translucent basically, and yeah, going to dust it all away. Also going to smoke out my lower lash line using the D3 and E2 colors. And the fun step was this gems. I got them from Walmart. And Huda Beauty's famous liquid lipstick. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It's a fall makeup plus euphoria look that has been going all over the internet. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.